And again, sorry, this has a dip in it. So it's not the knife, it's the board. But yeah, so. And as you saw, zero stickage issue. Zero. I mean, yeah. So, as you can tell by that, at least with the zucchini, very good non-stick properties. And like I said in my, I think it was my last video before this, I actually cut myself on a zucchini because, as you guys probably know, sometimes they are very, like, sticky because of whatever they, you know, they secrete. Okay, so that does on some fine work. I mean, this is just, yeah, when I say a knife is a joy to use, that's, you know, it just hits that sweet spot of everything kind of works. The grind, the steel, ease of sharpness, or, you know, just retention in general. I mean, it's not, you know, you're not going to feel fatigued by using it for, you know, an hour non-stop or anything like that. And honestly, I'm just using, you know, light forward momentum and basically just the weight of this knife. So, I mean, like I said, and this is, yeah, I mean, this, you know, I don't have a pair of calipers out, so I can't tell you really how small that is, but trust me, very minute, very small.